Dear connections, today I will discuss about the six type of merge option which are available in Power BI. So for simplifying this, I made a simple Excel dataset. So let's see the dataset. So in merge one sheet, you can see employee ID, employee name, and salary. These three columns are there, and in the merge to Excel sheet you can see employee ID and department name. So you can understand that employee ID will be working as a primary key between these two tables. So now let's jump into our Power BI. So I already imported this data into Power Query. So this is the merge one table and this is the merge two table. So at first I did left outer join. So before proceeding, let me show you how you can use this merge query. So you can see this option merge queries. You need to click on here. I You can click on merge queries as new. If you click on merge queries as new option, you will get the option. So here, let's say I am taking merge 1 and here I am taking merge 2, these two table. Now I am declaring these two as a primary key, and from here join kind, here you will see all the six options. You need to just click on any one option, then click on OK. So yeah, let's discuss about left outer join at first. So I clicked on left outer joint in that option, and you can see in the left outer join what will happen is all the rows from the left table and the matching rows with the right table will be printed as output. And if there is no match with the right table, you will see null values for the columns from the right table which are not matched. So as you can see, for in the left table 1 2 3 4 6, all the rows are there and all the rows are coming in Power Query there till this, like this, till employee ID, employee name, and salary all are in the left table. But in the right table, as you can see, 1 2 3 4 and the 5 number is null. As you can see in the merge to table, the 5 employee ID 5 has no data, so it will come as null. So let's jump into right outer join. So what will happen in right outer join? All rows from the right table and the matching rows from the left table. If there is no match, you will see null values for the columns from the left table. So this is the left table, as you can see, 1 2 3 4 6. See, 1 2 3 4 6, the fifth employee ID is not coming because it is not matched. But in the right table, 1 2 3 4 6 all are coming. See, in the right table all are coming. Now full outer join, what will happen in this case? All rows from both table will print. If there is no match, you will see null values for columns from either table where the match is absent. So in full outer joint, everything will print. Like you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 from left table all the rows are printed. From the right table all the rows are printed, even if in a right table the fifth value is not there, that's why the null values are printing for the fifth row. Okay, now let's jump into inner join. In inner join, only the matching rows between both tables will come, and rows without a match in either table are excluded. So as you can see, 1 2 3 4 6, the fifth table will be excluded because the fifth table is present in left table but not in right table. So Power Query will skip the fifth row, I mean fifth employee record from the left table. Now let's jump into left anti-joint. Many people have confusion on left anti and right anti joint. So what will happen in left anti joint? All rows from the left table that do not have a match in the right table, it will print, and rows from the right table are ignored. Okay, so in this case only one record will print. Why only one record will print? Let me show you. In the merge one sheet you can see 1 to 6. This 6 employee records are there, but in merge to sheet the fifth employee ID is there is no record. So the left anti-join will print only the fifth record from the left table because it is not matching with the right table. That is why you are seeing the right table. And also one more thing, it will ignore all the rows from the right table. So in the right table, as you can see, it is null will print. Now let's jump into right anti-join. In the right anti-join, what will happen? All rows from the right table that do not have a match in the left table, it will print. Rows from the left table are ignored. Rows from the left table will ignored. So in this case, our table is coming as empty. Why the table is coming as empty? Because as you can see, in the right table, 1 to 6, like the fifth record is not there, so the five records are there. So all these five records are present in merge one sheet, 1 2 3 4 6. So that means in the right table, from this right table all the records are present in the left table. That is why the table is empty. And in this case, like it is just I can say the it is just the opposite of left antijoin. So I hope you have understood the thing. Thank you. Let's meet on some other video.